Hey guys, welcome back to SocialNet. In today's video, I'll show you how you can download and sign up for your IRL app on your mobile device. IRL, which stands for In Real Life, is an app that makes it easy and fun to send and receive invites to hang out with friends in real life. The app also features a series of suggestions for invites that users can send, which change regularly based on users' interests or locations, seasons, and upcoming holidays. IRL is available for free on Google Play Store. If you don't have the app on your phone, you can download it by going to the Play Store application on your mobile device. Then on the search bar, search for IRL. Once you find the relevant results, go and tap on Install. Now wait for the downloads to complete. Once downloaded, go to the application and tap on it to open. Tap on to get started. Now IRL asks you to provide your mobile number to make sure you are you. So type in your mobile number in the text field here. Then tap onto the I agree to the terms and condition and tap onto the next button. Or you can also sign up with the email address. So if you already have an existing email address, you can go and type in the text field here. Once done, tap on next. Now it sends a verification code to your mobile number or your email address. So check your text message or your email address and type the 5-digit code in the text field here. Once you have entered the code, you'll be taken to another page where you have to set your date of birth. Once done, tap on next. Now type in your real name in the text field here. Once done, tap on next. Here you can choose a username or edit your username so your friends can easily discover you. Once done, tap on next. Now this screen tells you that IRL needs to access your contacts and locations so your friends can easily find you. If you want to allow the permission, you can go and tick right next to the box. Or if you don't want to customize this, you can go to the top right corner and tap on the skip button. Here you can choose a group that you like or you can relate to. Once done, tap on next. Now you can search for your friends in the search field here, or you can invite your friends and family via SMS or email by going to the suggested section here. Once done, tap on next. And then you'll have successfully signed up for IRL app on your mobile device. So this will be it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful. Subscribe to the channel and stay updated for more videos like this. Bye bye.